LiQuiTube. Installation made easy. Step 1. Remove the cap and pull the plastic ring. Step 2. Remove the vent cap on the side of the pail. Step 3. Straighten the hose and insert the pump into the pail. Step 4. Connect the hose on the side of the pail and open the chuck. Step 5. Prime the pump 2 times. Step 6. Remove the valve core from the valve stem. Step 7. Ensure the air pressure is below 50 psi and connect the hose to the valve stem and ensure the valve is open. Step 8. Install the correct amount of LiQuiTube into the tire, 10 ounces per full pump. Step 9. Shut off the pump valve. Step 10. Replace the valve core into the valve stem. Step 11. Connect the hose to the vent on the side of the pail. Step 12. Inflate the tire to the recommended operating range. LiQuiTube, the original liquid inner tube.